Hello, I have bought a new tool, Cordless Hedge Trimmer from Lidl. It's under Parkside brand. Yeah, and today I'm going to unbox and to try it. Let's look how the box looks like. So it's written that it requires 2 batteries, and these batteries and charger are not included. I have made another video with batteries and charger, so you can find this video in description below. Alright, so now we can look at the specification on the box. Cutting length, branch diameter, it's near to 2 centimeters. Included accessories is 1 blade protector and 1 clipping collector. It requires X20V team batteries and 2 of them. As far as I understand, it has brushless motor, so it's quite promising. Let's look more specification. Yes, brushless motor, long life. The device is quite powerful. Okay. What's here? Nothing. Okay, let's try to open the box and let's check what's inside this box. Here, let's see. Yes. Oh, it's interesting, a lot of places where I need to cut. Alright, probably I need to take it from here. Here's the manual. And here's the tool itself. Alright, let's look Let's look at the tool. So here is the place for one battery, here is the place for another one. What else? Here are the blades. And here, that's pretty it. So let's take the batteries and let's try to put them on the device. I have battery 1. So one battery, I have another one, second battery, okay, we can press this button and here we have battery indicator. Here we have probably the speed. It's at the beginning was number 1. Now I selected number 3. Let's look how if it changes. Okay, seems it's changed. This one is slow. Second speed is a bit faster, and the fastest. Oh, looks promising. Alright, what else? We can try to add this device to the app. I need my phone and we'll see. Let's try to connect this device to the app. So I have Parkside app. As you see, I have already added 2 smart batteries which are mounted here. So actually we don't need to do anything, we just need to press this button and it will detect. Okay, maybe I will show you in this way. Yes, I will press this button. Okay, and as you saw, these devices automatically changed to hedge trimmer. Now we can open the information about this. So it's everything related. Actually the battery detects that it is added to hedge trimmer, and now the app shows already that the app shows these devices as hedge trimmers. If we will switch off Bluetooth and the batteries, again it's switched to smart battery mode. Press again. Alright, so now we can try to check how it is working. Now I will try my tool. with this hedge.